Lurking beneath the surface of your trusted desktop software are threats that could bring your entire business to its knees. Cyber data breaches affect small businesses and large enterprises alike and can cost you millions of dollars, not to mention the damage to your reputation. Traditional desktop software leaves you vulnerable. Updates must be installed on every system. Your files are at risk of corruption or accidental loss, and you have to host your own data on individual computers or servers. The benefit of a cloud-native solution like Stack is that security is baked in. We take data security seriously so you can sleep at night. With Stack, you get automatic software updates, as well as backups of your data in the event of a disaster. Your team can collaborate from anywhere: office, job site, or on the go. It's time to scale with Stack and leave your old-school on-prem tools in the dust where they belong. Schedule your demo today at stackct.com.